In New Delhi today, the Piyush Goyal-led Commerce Ministry confirmed that India and the United States are in the final stages of negotiating a bilateral trade agreement, with both sides now working on the legal text of the pact. Government sources say that the major sticking points have largely been resolved and that only a few non-tariff barrier issues remain. Yet India's leadership maintains a cautious posture. Goyal emphasized that New Delhi will not sign any deal with a gun to our head, signaling that while progress is encouraging, India remains unwilling to compromise its industrial or strategic autonomy. For India's economy, the deal has the potential to open up new export markets, ease access for Indian goods into the US, and deepen strategic ties. For the US, it represents one of the few remaining large-scale trade pacts globally amid a fracturing multilateral trade system. What remains to be settled are key concerns surrounding imports of Russian crude, India's agricultural demands, and American farm interests within the treaty framework. If successfully concluded, the agreement could mark a milestone in India-US economic relations, signaling a shift toward deeper integration beyond security or digital cooperation. The coming weeks are expected to see intense legal drafting, cabinet approvals, and political maneuvering ahead of a possible announcement.